While you're getting ready for the Browns game, October 17th, 2021, I'm editing a stupid video for you, and here it is. Just keep it in touch and have a good day. Life with me, Gina Marie. Like and click and go to YouTube and look for me. Life with me, Gina Marie. Strive to be happy. And I'm going to use about an onion and a half. Testing. Half in the fridge. Just cut this one out. Hey, it's October and the leaves are starting to fall, and I already did this chicken video, but I'm throwing it together again just to show you how I did it real quick. Anyway, have a good day and strive to be happy. Good to see you again. I'll be coming up with some more videos coming this fall, so send me those recipes. The chicken is really dry and you want to salt inside the chicken. And then you can use pretty much any rub, but use salt and pepper. And I use some seasonings from the garden, herbs, dry. You can pick and choose which ones you like. But make sure it's nice and coated. We're going to sear this chicken in this very hot Dutch oven that I have going over here with a little bit of olive oil in the bottom. Yes, I had to watch my own video to find out what I did last time. That's why I make these videos, so I remember. I'm going to speed this up because this video was way too long, so Michael said. Anyway, it does get boring watching me sear this chicken. I did put it in the hot pan on the olive oil, and I'm getting all sides really seared. Don't worry if the coating falls off. It makes good gravy. I'm going to throw the vegetables in the bottom, put the chicken back on top in the oven at 325. Oh, I poured a 3/4 cup of sherry, cooking sherry, and another juice of lemon. Cut a little bit of parsley. Sometimes I put some hot paprika. 325. Lid on, 2 hours. Don't open it. It'll be in there for 2 hours. What a beautiful day. So I've got chili in the crock pot, and I got the chicken in the oven for 2 hours on 325. And I'll be back when I take it out later to finish this video. I haven't been on in a while. I'm rough and not ready. I'm not perfect. This is how it goes in my kitchen, probably yours too. So I'm not a food channel and I'm not a perfect, but I do like to eat good, and this is how I do it. And I want to share it with you. Share your recipes with me on Life with me, Gina Marie, both Facebook and YouTube. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and all those clicking things, because then I could get monetized one day, I hope. Have a good day. I'll show you later what happens. Well, there it is. It came out of my pan. By the way, I still got my chili in there for another hour. Out of the pan, there's the gravy if you want to make some on the side. But we're over here, we got the chicken, and I just had it resting, but I'll tell you, you can pull this right off the bone. Really good. I'm gonna get that served. Bon appetit. Strive to be happy. Well, we got it to the table, and I just fell apart. The white meat is so tender. There it is. How is it, Michael?
Delicious.
And you're eating a thigh, I see, and the vegetables. And we've got company. Have a good day. I'm gonna eat. Hi, Jojo. It's coming out now.